There are endless options for different ways to remodel your bath or shower, and it is easy to find a company willing to handle your renovation. What isn't so easy to understand is what you can expect to pay. So in this video, I'm going to run through the different types of bath and shower remodels and a ballpark of what you can expect to pay for each. Hi, I'm Elijah, Regional Manager for Joyce Windows, Sunrooms, and Baths. At Joyce, we understand how important transparency is when you're trying to plan and budget. Whether you're hoping to replace an old tub, convert to a walk-in shower, or install a spa-like walk-in tub, having a clear, realistic idea of what these projects typically cost can save you time, frustration, and money. The following price ranges are based off standard shower or tub replacements. The more you start to customize your project, price can go up and vary greatly. For a standard remodel, things that will determine where you fall in the price range are design choices such as standard pristine white versus a more luxurious look such as granite or tile. The level and number of accessories will also play a big role, as well as the type of shower doors that you choose. While no two homes or bathrooms are precisely alike, and exact quotes require an in-home assessment, we'll walk you through the most common types of bath renovations and their typical price ranges, helping you make a smart and confident decision. Bathtub replacement. Bathtub replacements are among the most common types of bathroom projects, especially in older homes where outdated, discolored, or damaged tubs have outlived their usefulness. Over the decades, materials evolved from cast iron to lighter fiberglass and acrylics, improving cost and ease of installation. Today, a straightforward bathtub replacement typically can cost between $9,000 and $12,000 depending on materials, accessories, labor complexity, and the additional plumbing adjustments needed. Tub to shower conversion. Replacing a tub with a shower is one of the most common popular remodeling requests, particularly among homeowners looking to modernize or age in place. The shift from bathing to showering reflects lifestyle changes, faster routines, accessibility preferences, and a desire for sleek, open designs. A tub to shower conversion typically costs between $9,000 and $14,000 depending on materials, accessories, labor complexity, and any additional plumbing adjustments. Shower replacement. Updating an existing shower can dramatically improve both form and function. A shower replacement project typically costs between $9,000 and $12,000 depending on materials, accessories, labor complexity, and any additional plumbing adjustments. Walk-in tub installation or conversion. Walk-in tubs were once considered niche, but today they're increasingly mainstream as more homeowners look for ways to age safely and comfortably in place. These tubs often feature swing-open doors, built-in seats, and therapeutic jets. What was once a hospital-grade product is now available in styles and finishes that blend seamlessly into residential settings. A walk-in tub project typically costs between $18,000 and $22,000 depending on materials, accessories, labor complexity, and any additional plumbing adjustments. It can be frustrating trying to get a straight answer on a bath remodel cost. When you choose Joyce, you're choosing a full-service, start-to-finish experience that values your time, your investment, and your comfort. Our signature stone is crafted with precision to ensure flawless fit and a beautiful grout-free finish that lasts for years. Our professional installers are also trained to handle every detail with care, and our warranty gives you long-term peace of mind. If you're ready to explore options more tailored to your space, follow the link below to set up a free in-home consultation. If this was helpful, and for more content like this, like and subscribe.